feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, you're so much welcome, and please make sure you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So today is on a weekend, and I just want to take you guys through my weekend, a realistic weekend with me, and most probably a productive one. Mostly this is what I normally do. I don't know if you guys do the same, but for me, when I wake up, I can't talk without brushing my teeth. So I already brushed my teeth, and now I just want to wash my face. And normally I use this glove and this rice soap, and so far so good. Yeah, so I wash my face with that. That's the only thing that I use nowadays for my face when it comes to cleaning. So I'll wash my face, and then after that I'll groom my eyebrows. I normally groom and reshape my eyebrows every weekend. So I'll do that, I'll wash my face, and then I'll do that, and then I'll proceed to other things of the weekend. Yeah, so it's just like getting ready for the week. Yeah, early preparation. So let me wash my face, then we continue. So make sure you subscribe, watch this video to the end, like, comment, and share.
Like a glance from the past, dark in a frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach.
So I'm done with cleaning, and normally I use Vaseline on my lips.
Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what your loving means. Oh, yeah, don't let go. You know I wanna be around.
Then for the face, I use this serum. This is Snail facial serum. So I just take at least 3 drops, at most 5. Then
Just wanna know what your loving means. Oh, yeah, don't let go. You know I wanna be around. I'm tugging more and more, my heart is in my head. So I can see I'm letting go.
I avoid the tip from touching my face to avoid contamination. So I think that's enough for today. So I then just rub it in. So normally when doing skincare, don't forget your neck. The next thing that I go in with is this glycerin. And for glycerin, if you are a starter or if you are using it for the first time, you will normally feel like it has a burning sensation, but for me, I'm used to it and I feel nothing. So this is aloe vera. So I just put a little amount on my hand and rub it in.
My body's calling you. I'm having so much fun with you.
And by the way, normally you have to let one product to soak in before you go in with the next one, but for me, right now, I don't have that time for waiting. So I'll just papa. For sunscreen, which is the last product that I use on my face, I use this Dr. Rachel sunscreen. This SPF 50. So it's a moisture sunscreen. It also moisturizes. So again, I just put a little amount little but enough, remember that, on my hand. Then I just put on my face, then I'll rub it in.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, when you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
And yeah, that's basically it for my skincare. And it's like I do this every day. I use that rice soap for washing my face or cleaning or cleansing, whatever. Then I use these same products on when it comes to application, the glycerin, the serum, and sunscreen. So, and the Vaseline for the lips. So I let all these soak in before I trim my eyebrows. And after that, we'll proceed to the other daily activities, specifically for the weekend. Yeah, so, and you can see the sunscreen doesn't leave a white crust. It just soaks in very well. You can't see any white crusts like some sunscreens do. It's not an advert, but thank me later.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is.
Hi guys, so right now I just want to iron my clothes, prepare for the week, and I just want to tell you content creation is not a walk in the park. An example, a few minutes ago, let's say an hour ago, I was doing some cleaning, and I decided I'll capture that. So I set up everything. Then after finishing everything, kumaliza kuosha, I left the camera running. So after nimemaliza, I come check the videos. They're not playing. It says can't play video. So you see that those are some of the challenges. So your clip ishapotea hivyo. Yeah, so content creation is not as easy as you think. Yeah. So right now I just want to iron my clothes. Then we'll see what next.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
Hi guys, so I'm taking this fruit bowl. This is bananas and pineapple. Yeah, as I wait for dinner. This is like 1 hour after lunch. Hi guys, so we are almost coming to the end of this vlog, and right now it's 7:13 and dinner is ready. I just want to serve and I'll be showing you guys what we've prepared today. And yeah, make sure you've liked this video, comment what you think about the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, turn on post notification and share this video. So let's serve dinner, eat, then we'll probably sleep or see what we'll do next. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good.